Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today I'm camping again. Today I'm camping at the Ghajn Tuffieha International Scouts Campgrounds. Today I will try to show you a little bit around this area, so you know when you come here what you will find, how it will look, how the plots look, how to book, all this stuff that maybe it will help you, as I did already on the Mosta Scouts campgrounds. So let's start showing you around here. Once you enter this gates here and you are in the parking here of the campsite, one then have to proceed somewhere here. You park here and you go to the reception, which will give you a ticket. And for the parking, it's a ticket for the parking, another ticket to open that gate there, which is unlimited openings. Then from there you go to the reception area, where they will give you the keys and give you all the instruction about this area. Once you walk all the way here to the reception area, you come here, this is the reception, and there you go in. They will give you the plot, they will give you a key for the shower and key for the toilets. And apart from that, they will explain exactly everything, the rules of here, what you can do, what you cannot do, so you can enjoy you and others here. And they are very, very efficient in that. So here, this is one of the blocks, one of two, and here you will have one shower and one toilet. It will be locked by a key, so only your group will use it because of hygiene. And depends in which area you are, you will be assigned one toilet and one shower. And I have been assigned number 4, which is this one. It's locked with the key. Not this one, but this one. So you can clean it up if you want, but it was already very clean. And you have a clean toilet for your group. Then, if you continue, the door here is our shower. On this shower, only us will use it with hot water and the brand. It's clean, no problem at all. Plus you have some sinks, and you have, this is ours, and the mirror where you can wash yourself and clean your face, whatever you like. So, till now, everything top notch, no problems. That was the block that we were checking. This is called the Reservoir here, and many people are using it to go with their bikes. So here is very safe and very nice to go. Here we have a light walk. We have the resin here and some nice trees. Here all areas are all labeled out, so you can know which plot you will be assigned. You just drive and you will find everything labeled up, so you don't have problems here. Here, everywhere, and I will show you better later, you have in every plot, you have electricity and water. You need special plugs, which I will show you that you need to use, and you have tap water in each area. So it's very well maintained. Very clean as well and organized here. Here everywhere is labeled like this. As you can see, the road is a little bit long because it's quite a large area here. Everywhere is fully booked today or camping. Not all, but many of them. Here is camping ground 1, 2 and 3. Then we have number 4 here. And number 5 is here. Obviously, due to privacy, I will not go into the detail of each plot, because there are people there and it's not nice to go on film on them. But I can show you approximately what a plot size looks like. I will go more detail maybe when I go to my plot. So, for example, this is plot 3. You have a very decent size area. It's not small. And here normally we'll get a bin like this, where you can start a fire, and obviously in each plot you will find a point for electricity, like this one here, and water. It's important when you come here, you need this specialized plugs here. You see, those commercial ones. And for the water, you need this thread. It's a very nice area. Lots of tents here, as you can see everywhere. As I told you, I'm not going so far in because of privacy of the people here. There, that block there is the showers and toilets for these people on this side. And they will decide where you're going to stay and which showers and toilets you're going to use. As I told you before, this is the 4. That is number 7, and then is number 8. And everywhere is labeled, that's how you don't have problems here. Everywhere there's a lot of space for each plot you get. You don't have problems, you can make multiple tents in each area. And they will even adjust to your group what you need. Here one can see another plot, there is number 6. It's a decent size as well. And then we have another one here with everywhere there are these points for electricity and water. And this plot here, the one that I just reviewed, was plot 9 because everywhere is marked here. Here are near the toilets again and the showers. It's a very big area, and there's a lot of trees as well, because people think that here there are no trees. Well, here we have plot 10, another decent size and surrounded by trees. Very interesting. It's a little bit on the incline, but up there is good. Then we have here, we have another plot here which is 11. But I will not go up there because there are people come there, but I visit this area. They are nearly all the same size, so, and everywhere is decent here. So now I will continue all the way up. If I'm not mistaken, here there is a small soccer field or pitch. I will show you as well. This area here is plot 12. As I told you, there's people, so I will not film inside there. And here, there is plot 24. And as I told you, here everything is labeled correctly. You don't have problems. You just find the signal out, the signs, and we go to plot 24. You see, which is a fairly large area, very clean, and with some trees as well. This is, I think, the 3rd time I'm coming here. And you know, I compare here with Mosta. Mosta have a lot of special things, but so here, both of them are very good standards, so I enjoy both. And if you get bored with one place, you can switch from one place to the other. The only thing that here, the price is much higher. But for prices, it's better you check on the website because they can change from time to time as well. Well, here we are moving through this arena here. Remember, this is a international Scouts camping ground. So all this stuff can be used for their big meetings, because here they do even international camping events, which I will not comment because I don't know this stuff. I like it and I try to follow them, but I cannot comment because I don't know. There's another plot here, if I'm not mistaken, is plot 15. But all the plots are similar in size. But look how nice it is, and clean, and it's big. All of them, they have some decent size. I think if you come here, you really can enjoy the. It's not in the wild, it's a campsite, but you get the feeling here. And what I tell many people who like camping, you can start here and then move outside here. But sometimes when you have children, you having a shower, a toilet is always welcome, and some electricity. Well, from here one is very close to Golden Bay, so just 5 to 10 minutes walk. You're in Golden Bay, you can go to swim there. Behind here is Park of the Maestral, which have beautiful places where to hike. Here there's a lot of, if you go to that side, there's some incredible bays like Riviera Bay. You have O.R.C.A there, so a lot of stuff to do here. Now this is the 14 or 17, but as I told you, there are people here, and this is the 13. I will not go there because of the private. It's not nice for the people here. I film them while they're being relaxed. Here I am back where I started, where there's the showers, our block, and here there are more campgrounds which are 16, 18 and 19. This will be the 16. We'll show you briefly. Here is the 16. All of them are decent sized. Here is the 18. Look how nice this plot is. There's some people there, so we don't disturb them. And here, as I told you, there are signs everywhere. And this is plot 19, another good plot. Now we are in front of the reception again. As I told, there's the shower and the toilet. Here is plot 23, very big, and close to it, very close, you will find my plot, which is plot 22, I think. This is plot 22, where I am staying, and this one I have permission to film because these are part of my family. That blue one is my tent. This is the other tent. We have the cars, but the cars must you download your things and then you leave them in the parking. Yeah? But look how nice this area is, because this is the best area I can show you. And there is another big plot there, and there's other there. But there are people here, so I will not film in there. Mela, here we have Gwen and Kieran. And Kieran is showing her how to shoot the arrow. Maya, Kieran, shoot it.
This.
Oops. I think it's better with stick. This is how to do it to get full marks. So let's continue our vlog now. This marks the end of this vlog here. It was Pierre Farrugia. Hope you enjoyed something different. It's not an adventure, but like this you get to know this area, what it looks like and what you have to expect here. I will put some links to this site where you can book, because you have to book through the Scouts, Ghajn Tuffieha Scouts website, and the rules and the map of this area. So you will be a little bit geared up to come here. It's worth it to come here because it's a beautiful place. For family, it's 10 out of 10. It's super safe. So hope you enjoy when you come here. Bye bye.